Alright, it's been fun, dude, but I think I'm gonna go now. I'm pretty sure my 2-hour limit has passed already.
Alright, see you tomorrow, mate.
Bye, dude.
Bye, mate.
What am I gonna do now? Maybe I could watch some TV. Screw it. I ain't got anything better to do.
Gary, what are you doing with that knife?
Well, George, I'm gonna use this very knife to slice your neck. Slice and dice your organs, and keep your corpse as a memorial for what a pathetic little loser you are.
Well, that's not very nice, is it, Gary?
When your blood will be smeared all over my walls, it will be.
Now you just made things awkward, Gary.
Mummy, what's a mushy and brown? Chocolate pudding? No, the chocolate pudding that comes out of your ass. Poop. And what do you call it when it's in your pants? Are you trying to tell me you shit yourself? Maybe. I bet you're the type of person that wipes their ass while standing up. You disgusting piece of shit. Welcome to Useless Fox with Edward. Did you know that the opposite sides of a dice will always add up to 7? Did you know that the word dreamt is the only word in the English language that ends with an MT? Wow. Did you know that the Hawaiian pizza wasn't invented in Hawaii? That's just betrayal. Did you know that you, yes you, are you a fan of skateboarding? Heck yeah, I am! Are you a fan of video games? Of course I am! And are you a fan of Skate 3? Isn't it obvious? Well, now that I've gotten your attention, I'm here to announce a competition for all of you Skate 3 lovers out there. And the rules are simple. Just get as many points as you can in the next 24 hours, which starts exactly as this commercial airs. And here are the prizes. For third place, you'll get a Tony Hawk signed skateboard with the Skate 3 logo on it. For second place, you get a 12-month membership of Xbox Live Gold and exclusive DLC for Skate 3 for this competition. And for first place, you'll get a Skate 3 themed Xbox One S with Skate 3 bundled with the console, and the best thing, a lifetime license of Xbox Live Gold. I could play a bit longer. Shoot, my phone's ringing. I better pick up.
Do you see the commercial, mate?
Of course I did.
Are you gonna join the competition?
Are you seriously thinking that I'm not gonna join, dude?
Oh, sorry, mate. I'm just so excited. I'm just gonna grind all night, mate.
As if you don't do that already.
What was that, mate?
Nothing, dude. Don't worry about it.
Alright, I should probably start working on getting the highest score, mate. See you in the top 3.
Alright, see ya, dude. I should probably get something to get me going through the night. New beats! Let me guess, your Xbox Live Gold expired? Nah, I was just wondering. Could you get me some coffee? What? You want me to make you coffee? You never drink coffee. Well, I was just thinking of, trying something new. Okay. Phew, glad that worked. Alright, Lightning, here's your coffee. Alright, thanks, dude. Just put it right there. Phew, now that I got the stuff that will keep me going all night, now it's time to play. Can't stop grinding, dude. Must get high score. I got a new high score, dude. 24,533. My phone's ringing. Gotta pick that up. It's probably Francesco.
Oh my god, mate, I literally just got 60k points. Oh my god, this is the best day of my life, mate.
Did you seriously just get 60k points?
Oh my god, never mind, mate. I just got 65k. Francesco, why are you yelling? It's 3 a.m.
You know what, dude? Maybe I'm just not trying hard enough. Maybe I'm just gonna make a fresh batch of coffee and I'm gonna grind like I never have before. Right after a quick nap. Dude, what time is it? What? Is my clock fucked up or something? Or does it really say 8 o'clock? My nap wasn't that long. What the heck? Either my nap was a little bit too long, or my clock is fucked up. Oh shit, Francesco's calling me.
Good morning, mate. You still awake? They're just about to announce the winners of the competition.
Oh crap, I need to turn on the TV. Hello everyone! I am here to announce the winners of the Skate 3 competition. And I'm gonna repeat the rules of the competition just for the people that are new here. Basically, the rules were to get the most points you can in 24 hours. And now it's time to announce the winners. Alright, third place goes to Lightning McQueen with 24,533 points. And he wins the skateboard signed by Tony Hawk. Second place goes to Charles Carter with 33,850 points. And he wins the 12-month membership for Xbox Live Gold and the exclusive Skate 3 DLC. And last but not least, for the person that got first place and the person that will win the Skate 3 themed Xbox One S with a lifetime membership for Xbox Live Gold and Skate 3 bundled with the console. And that person who gets first place is Francesco Bernuoli with 65,135 points. So you're telling me that I stayed awake until 3 a.m. grinding Skate 3 only to get third place? Dudes, I got third place in a competition. Isn't it supposed to be a good thing? Yeah, if I would get third place in a competition, I would be pretty happy. Dude, you don't understand. Yeah, third place would be, pretty good if only the prize wouldn't be a skateboard. And you don't see any legs on me, do you? Huh.